Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. With a few exceptions, Google Pixel phones arrive in pairs with a standard and XL model released together with no differences other than size and battery capacity. However, a new rumor says the Google Pixel 5 will only come in the XL size with no standard model. This news comes via Twitter user I'm just saying Jesse, who doesn't have a track record of leaking major pre-release information of the phones. According to the leak, the phone, which would presumably just be called the Google Pixel 5, will have the Snapdragon 765G chipset, which will cost around $699 and will have an in-screen fingerprint sensor instead of using facial recognition like the Google Pixel 4 phones. We have heard the Snapdragon 765G claim before, so that might be true, but other than that, all of the information is new to us. This lack of a track record means we have to take what they say with so much salt that it could give us heart problems. There is no indication that they have any valid insider sources or any way of obtaining legitimate information. It's quite possible we are wrong and that the Google Pixel 5 really will come out just in XL version. Either way, when it comes to the Google Pixel 5, we will find out around October because that's when the launch is expected. RAM has also often been a shortcoming for Pixels, but it appears that Google won't compromise there this year. The Pixel 5 should feature 8GB of RAM, up from 6GB in the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. That's the same amount of RAM found in $999 Galaxy Note 20, so it should be plenty for the Pixel 5. The Pixel line has been synonymous with a fantastic photo experience since its first launched in 2016. But this has been attributed to Google's unsurpassed computational photography skills rather than the actual hardware in its smartphones. While some other manufacturers have moved on to 4 camera arrays now, Google is expected to add their third camera to the mix. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.